Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic TV with the model numbers TC-either 65 or 77 EZ1000, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default setting on it. By the way, I'll put those two model numbers in the description. Now there's two ways to do this, either via the setup menu if you have access to it, or via the physical buttons on the TV and remote. And there's two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your TV is not responding, or if it's not working, if it's not making sound, stuff like that, the screen is not turning on, this can fix a lot of these issues. The other reason is if you just want to get this thing set up like it's a new TV for whatever reason, if you're setting it up someplace new, want to set it up on a new network and everything. Now all we need to do if we want to do this, if you have access to the setup menu, it's real easy. Just hit menu on the remote, and then from there you select setup, then you select system, then you select factory default, and then you just confirm it with a yes. Easy as that. Now, if you don't have access to the setup menu and you want to do it via the buttons, we can just, the TV does need to be able to turn on because it needs to be on. And then we're going to find the volume down button on the TV, and then the menu button on the remote control, which is just below the power button on the left side. And we're just going to simultaneously hold volume down on the TV and menu button on the remote for at least 5 seconds. And after those at least 5 seconds is up, we can just go ahead and unplug the TV and then release the buttons. We'll wait a few seconds, and then we can go ahead and plug the TV back in and turn it back on. And when we turn it back on, it will automatically factory reset and go back to the way it was when it came out of the box.